There's a certain car on the road today that looks perfectly fine at first glance. Sleek lines, modern infotainment, impressive marketing claims. But the more experienced drivers take a closer look, the more they realize something isn't adding up. Smart drivers pay attention to long-term reliability, and according to recent reports from automotive reviewers and consumer surveys, this model has developed a reputation for inconsistent build quality, premature mechanical issues, and repair costs that climb far higher than many owners expect. While the manufacturer continues to promote advanced features, many drivers report that the tech feels rushed, with glitchy touchscreen responses, sensors that randomly disconnect, and driver assist systems that don't always activate when they should. Some experts argue that the problem isn't the concept of the car, it's the execution, as the company has been pushing aggressive redesigns and updates without enough real-world testing. Fuel efficiency